LeadershipPlus module is a very innovative module. It helps students to explore and define their leadership identity.
LeadershipPlus is about social intelligence, emotional intelligence, ethics, and questions of decision-making and self-knowledge.
We cover leading teams, leading individuals, different leadership styles, and then how that fits with what you bring to the table.
It's not about seeing what the ideal leader is, it's about being the best leader that we can be.
A very unique thing about LeadershipPlus is the collaboration. We have the world-class academic research, the careers team's knowledge around skill development and the labor market, plus behavioral science and neuroscience expertise from Mindflick.
And then the students can get one-on-one feedback about how they're able to incorporate some of the things that they've learned in the module.
I have enjoyed our LeadershipPlus module. Kind of helps us understand how we work and who we are as people and as leaders. This program creates change makers. I've realized that I am a people-centric leader, so I think it's made me more aware that this is important for me.
Who you are is how you lead. And so having an opportunity to interrogate who I am and the kind of leader I want to be is invaluable. I've never really had the kind of vocabulary to think about that before, and that's something I've been able to achieve at Warwick Business School.